Here is how to use ChatGPT premium version for free as a teacher. Follow me as you watch this video. So all you need to do is you open your browser on the system, then you go to this website em.bjedu.tech/en. Go to the website. I'll type it in the description below so you can read yourself. Then you create an artificial email, create a new email address, create it with use this subdomain .se.me. So here is it here. Let me use this teacher. You can use anything. You can use John, you can use Michael, you can use whatever name you want as just for your mail address, for the mail address you want to use to open a new account. So click on create new email. Look at it is loading. So now it shows that I failed to create address. Okay, I read already exists. Okay, let me draw another one. For sample at create new email. Look at it. So the email have been created. So to show you where to log in, look at it. You can copy it. You copy this link and paste it somewhere else. Look at it. Paste it. That's already open. So now go to chatgpt.com. Open ChatGPT. So it is open, right? So you click on sign up. Now if you want to use the premium version and you're already using a version before, like you're already signing on ChatGPT, you have to sign out because you're creating a new account entirely. So you click on sign up. You put that mail address. What's our mail address? Look at it, the new one I created here. Look at it. You open it and click on continue. So it's going to send an authentication code to verify on that artificial mail that you just created after you input your password. So let me put the password there. Let me put our password. I'll choose my own. Okay. So I've created my password. Continue. So let me save it. So they sent a verification code to this mail. So I go back to that mail. All I need to do, okay, let me translate to English back. All I need to do is to refresh it. Look at it. Now look at it. That has been sent. So I open it and I paste it. Click on continue. Copy the link. So let me add full name. Just for example, is then you add your birthday. You can add any dates that you want. Add any dates. Click on continue. Let me choose the date correctly. See, continue. So it's going to load for a while, and while watching my videos, make sure you subscribe. So here is it. We have ChatGPT Premium for teachers. It's capable of doing a lot of things that the normal ChatGPT plan cannot do. So you can state your comment whether you're a teacher, IT or others, or you can skip it. So to tell you nice to meet you, to take you through some thought, what is capable of doing. So it can teach you how to plan your first lesson. Can choose to skip thought. You can do that on your own. So while watching my, let me stop it. No, I don't need this. So while watching my video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. I make videos around tech, education. This is education and tech, edutech, politics, defense, and digital marketing. So for more videos like that, make sure you subscribe and share these videos for others to use. So this ChatGPT is the premium version. Look at the engine using the flagship model. This ChatGPT 5.2. So congratulations, we are using ChatGPT for teachers, and that was a good one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Subscribe to my channel.